Well, it's happened a lot. When you try to do something in Blender and Blender hangs and sometimes crashes. And while this is associated with either the project is so big and well, it's tasking Blender which makes it a crash and which mostly causes a lot of loss of work and project and all that stuff. And well, this can be really time consuming when Blender just crashes and you lose work. So in this video we're going to be going ahead on why Blender crashes. It's not actually because of some things, just because of when the project and all that stuff. We'll be going around it in this video, and why the ways to like recover some lost projects. We're going on 2 ways to recover some lost projects. And well, enough with talking, let's just jump right into it. Now onto the obvious, the theory actually, before we get our hands dirty. So first, I want to explain to you guys not all the reasons, actually just two reasons probably why Blender hangs that I think. And well, the first reason is maybe the project you're working on is too heavy, or maybe it's too tasking on Blender and makes Blender to hang. And well, the second reason is maybe the processor of the computer you're using, or maybe the laptop is not that like fast, and Blender can handle Blender, and most times Blender hangs, crashes, and you lose all your work. Now on to the fun stuff. Okay, so for the first part, just open up a new Blender file and see recover. These are the two we're going to be looking at. So just go recover last session, and you can see, yeah, as you can see, it recovered the last session. And like this, just quickly save. Well, you had it. It's time for recover to the normal blend file. And well, this is the first way to recover some of the lost data that you maybe think is lost and wrong. Okay, make sure not to do anything after you like lose maybe the project like crashes. Make sure not to do anything, like just open up new project and recover last session. You can also see it on the card, the stuff that shows that you open the project. And well, for the second, we'll just go recover and auto save. Auto save is like something you can use to recover some things that are auto saved. Exactly the mean. Okay, now I think you should go to the earliest moment, because as you can see 23:58 and I think I should go to the earliest moment. Yeah, so cover or resave, and I'll get to you guys when it's done. And it picks up where we left off. As you can see, showing recovered here as it recovered the project, and you can go Ctrl S to save it and all that stuff. And so as you can see, the subdivision surface modifiers here, exactly where we left off. But sometimes this doesn't actually recover exactly where you left off. It might recover sometimes lower than, and you don't have to go to other stress. Well, the best thing is, I recommend you guys just save, and save like every 5 minutes you complete something. Just hit Ctrl S. It won't take that much time. And okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and like to see more blended tricks like this one, subscribe, and I'll see you in the future video. Bye.